Have you tried everything to lose weight without success? Lemon balm might be the solution you've been looking for. In this video, I'll reveal the secret recipe that promises to melt fat quickly, naturally, and healthily. Stay tuned to discover how to transform your body with this simple tea. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore a natural and effective way to lose weight that you might not have considered yet: lemon balm, also known as Melissa. Originally recognized for its calming properties, lemon balm is gaining prominence as a valuable ally in the weight loss journey. In this video, you'll not only learn about the surprising benefits of this plant but also how to prepare a powerful recipe that can boost metabolism, reduce bloating, and help eliminate toxins. Get ready to transform your weight loss journey with this incredible medicinal plant. Losing weight is a challenge many people face daily. Restrictive diets, strenuous exercises, and a myriad of products promising miraculous results often leave individuals worn out and demotivated. What many don't realize is that the solution might lie in natural and accessible approaches, such as the use of medicinal herbs. This is where lemon balm comes into play. Lemon balm is widely known for its calming properties, which help reduce stress, a factor often associated with emotional weight gain. But, beyond that, lemon balm has lesser-known qualities that make it a powerful aid in weight loss. It can help control appetite, improve digestion, and promote the elimination of toxins from the body, crucial factors for those looking to lose weight in a balanced way. Despite its benefits, lemon balm is still underestimated when it comes to weight loss. Most people are unaware of how to incorporate it effectively into their routine. Using it as a complement to traditional diets can be a way to enhance weight loss efforts without resorting to drastic or unsustainable measures. Now, let's delve into the wonders of lemon balm and how it can revolutionize your weight loss strategy. Before we reveal the incredible recipe, it's essential to understand why and how lemon balm is so effective. Firstly, lemon balm is full of bioactive compounds that play important roles in the body. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help protect cells from damage, promoting better overall health, a vital foundation for weight loss. When the body is free from toxins and functioning optimally, metabolism can speed up, facilitating calorie burning. Moreover, one of the great assets of lemon balm is its ability to improve digestive function. Effective digestion is crucial for weight loss because it ensures that nutrients are properly absorbed and that waste is eliminated efficiently. Lemon balm helps alleviate digestive discomforts, reducing bloating and improving bowel movement. This means you can feel less bloated and lighter, further increasing motivation to continue your weight loss journey. Another crucial aspect is the relaxing effect of lemon balm, which can help manage stress levels. Stress, as many know, is closely linked to weight gain, especially the storage of abdominal fat. By helping the body relax, lemon balm can reduce stress-induced cravings for unhealthy foods, giving the user more control over their eating habits. Now, how to include lemon balm in your routine? One of the most effective ways is through a special tea that maximizes its benefits. But before we get to the recipe, some tips. Lemon balm can be combined with other herbs like mint or ginger to boost its power and make the drink more flavorful. Finding it in fresh or dried leaf form in natural product stores facilitates its incorporation into daily life. Now that you know the numerous benefits of lemon balm, it's time to put this knowledge into practice with a special tea recipe that can accelerate your weight loss naturally and effectively. To prepare this powerful tea, you will need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dried lemon balm leaves, or fresh leaves, if available. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, optional, for an extra metabolic boost. 1 teaspoon of honey or a slice of lemon for taste, to taste. 250 milliliters of filtered water. Recipe step by step. Start by heating the water until just before boiling. You don't want the water to be boiling, as that can compromise the beneficial properties of lemon balm. Add the lemon balm leaves and grated ginger to the hot water. If using fresh leaves, crush them lightly first to release even more of their essential oils. Cover the container with a lid or plate to keep the steam and essential oils inside. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup, adding honey or lemon to taste. Enjoy your hot tea, allowing yourself to relax and nourish your body while savoring your drink. This recipe not only maximizes the benefits of lemon balm but is also a delicious and relaxing way to incorporate a healthy habit into your daily routine. With regular consumption, you can observe metabolism improvements and feel lighter and more energized. So there it is. We've discovered how lemon balm, with its calming and digestive properties, can be a powerful addition to your weight loss routine. By incorporating this tea regularly, you can not only enhance fat burning but also promote overall well-being, reducing stress and improving mood. Remember, small sustainable changes, like swapping caloric beverages for this naturally flavorful tea, can make a significant difference in your journey. Don't underestimate the power of medicinal herbs. Try introducing lemon balm, watch the differences, and share your experiences with us. Now that you know the transformative potential of lemon balm, why not give it a try? Prepare the tea, add it to your routine, and see the results for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health tips and natural recipes. Join the conversation in the comments and share your experience.